Hey everyone, welcome to Reach Mobile's video on how to take your SIM card in and out of your phone. My name's Cyan and I'm a customer success rep here at Reach Mobile. Alright, now first you want to make sure you have your Samsung in hand as well as your welcome kit. You've downloaded the app and completed the activation steps. Now, it's SIM time. When you open up that welcome kit, you'll notice that a paperclip is provided for you. With the paperclip, unfold one end so that it's pointing out. Now grabbing the device you're using for activation, locate your SIM tray. For the Samsung, you'll notice your SIM tray is located on the top. Apply the paperclip inside of the SIM tray until it pops out. And carefully remove your SIM tray from your phone. Now grabbing that SIM card from the Reach Mobile kit, you're going to want to take this card and pop that SIM right out the back. If you notice that the SIM is a little bit too big for your tray, try popping it out of the extra little layer so it gets smaller. With your tray laying flat, align the cut edge of your SIM to the cut edge of the tray. Pop that SIM tray back into your phone, restart your device, and you're good to go. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, happy connecting.